Audio
Installation for Windows Server 28R2. Click next, then it's install now. And choose the full installation. Click next. Use the accept license terms next and custom advance. Drive option advance, new, apply, okay, and next. And wait for the completing of installation. After done, preparing your computer for the first use. You need to create a new password. Click OK and type your password. Click the configure networking. Right click and go to properties. Disable the version 6 and click the version 4. Use the following IP address: 175.100.100.1 and 255.255.0 and 0 for the subnet mask. And for the preferred DNS, same as the IP address. Click the OK and OK. Close. Provide computer name to domain. And change the computer name to server. You need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Press OK, then close, then restart now. Set the time zone and change the time zone to Beijing, and OK, and press OK. And go to add roles. Next, then install the active directory domain, add required features, then next, and install. Go to Server Manager, click the plus button, Roles, and Active Directory Domain, and click the Run and Active Directory Domain. Use the Advanced Mode installation. Next, create a new domain. Next, and choose the server 28R2. Then next, yes, and type the password. Next, and wait for the installation to finish. After finish, click the finish button and restart your computer.
After installing our server, we need a client, so we are going to install Windows 7. Click install. Wait to start up. And accept the license term and click next. Choose custom advanced, new, apply, and OK. Select primary and next. We have a technique that shift 10 and task mgr. Click process, right click, set up the exe, set to priority and normal. Set. After that, we need to type our username and type a computer name. So after typing the username and computer name, just click next, enter the password, skip for now, and in assimilator click choose Beijing, and next choose public. So we need to configure our client. Go to computer, right click and properties, change setting, and change we need first to set the network. Just click WinR and type ncpa.cpl to go to local network connection, and click properties, uncheck the IPv6 and double click the IPv4. So we are going to use 175.100.2 and tab set the DNS server to 175.100.100.1 and click OK and close. Click and open sharing center, go to change advanced sharing, turn on file printer and turn on sharing. Turn on filing sharing and turn on again. Yes, save and save. Go to Windows Defender. Turn Windows firewall on or off, and turn off and OK. Click close. So we are now going to connect the domain server to client. We run this into virtual machine, so we need first to set up the network in choose network and internal network and set the domain name labroom.org and click OK. For server, just do the same. OK, and click minimize. First, let's go to Windows 7 and run Cmd. Type ping ipconfig. So to check the IP address of our client, and ipconfig to check the IP address of our server. So we need to ping server to client. Type 175.100.100.1 and click enter. And we need to ping the client to the server. So after pinging, go to sysadmin.cpl and it will pop up the system properties and change, set the domain to labroom.org, enter the domain name, click OK and enter the administrator and the password of our server. Click OK. Click OK and OK. We need to restart and close and restart the computer. Put control insert at control alt delete and enter the client password. So we need to check. Go to computer and right click computer properties. So we can see here that the full name is client 1 PC labroom and we connected to the domain. So go to start and administrative tool, active directory and to computer and refresh, and you can see the PC1 connected now to our server. So that's all for connecting the domain to server. So in this video we are going to install the Windows 7 client 2. Since the procedure is the same, we are going to skip and jump to configuring the domain name and connecting the domain to client to server. Let's run the WinR and click Cmd and ping the server, and let's check first the IP address of our client. Our IP address in client is 175.100.100.3. So we need the ping our server. So our IP address for server is 175.100.100.1. So let's go to server and ping our client. So the reply is good. So we are going now to connect the domain and click the labroom.org. Click OK. After that, click OK and enter administrator and the password of our server. Click next and OK, and after clicking OK, our computer is going to restart. Enter the password of our client. And click enter. Let's go to our server and let's check if already connected. Let's go to Active Directory domain user, and as you can see, the client PC2 is connected to our server successfully.